Let's take a closer look at these Office Depot teacher tools. First up are these bear counters. Typically, manipulatives are thought to be used with math, but I love using these during my phonics small groups. I teach my students to put one bear in each circle. I say we're putting our bear to sleep, they're going in their cave, for each sound that they hear in the word. So this would be b-est, best. Next up, I'm filling my anchor chart caddy with all of my new markers. The best part of these Color Your World markers is that they have the colors on the bottom of the marker too. For video purposes, I'm keeping them upright to show you the pretty colors, but I'm very much a marker down and I love that I can still see the color. Next up are the twistable crayons, which I'm obsessed with. I feel like I'm always peeling crayons when I'm coloring my anchor charts, and the fact that these just twist up are perfect, and the color selection I just love. It makes my anchor charts pop. And lastly, my favorite teacher find from Office Depot are these transparent Post-it notes. I love that they are see-through so I can still see what's under, and they come in several different colors, including clear. And then I'm using a Sharpie here and they still do not bleed through. So be sure to check out Office Depot for back to school.